Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change wallet name on Trust Wallet. So if you want to change your wallet name on Trust Wallet, I can get it done. You might have different wallets with different specific option, and you want to name them accordingly to their functions of the purpose you create them. And the really best way to do that is by giving each and every of the wallets a specific name. Here that I can get it done for you. If you want to do that, just open your Trust Wallet app on your phone, then you input your passcode or your Face ID. Then from there you tap on the gear button, then you tap on the wallet itself, then you will see the particular wallet you want to change the name. So right in front of the wallet, you're going to see the three-dot icon right in front of the wallet, and the name of this wallet is Test. I want to change it from Test to something else. I'm just going to tap on the three-dot icon. Oh, sorry, made a mistake. Tap on the wallet, then I'm going to tap on the three-dot icon right in front of it. So the name option will specifically show. Then from there, you can change the name from what you have to a new name. I'm just going to use Nema Vibe. Then I'm going to tap on Save, and that's it. If any video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.